Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this fraction. 9 divided by 3 divided by 9 over 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. Instead of this fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator 9 divided by 3 divided by 9 divided by the denominator, which is 3. Now we have these parentheses and this division. Inside these parentheses, we have two divisions. Okay, according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. So first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and inside this parentheses we have two divisions. When we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division inside this parentheses. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. So 3 divided by 9, and here we have divided by 3. 3 divided by 9 can be written as 3 over 9. Okay, 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, and 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. And here we have divided by 3. Okay, 3 divided by 9 can be written as 3 over 9, and we can easily simplify this fraction. Okay, 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, and 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. So we have 1 over 3 divided by 3. Okay, and now according to the KCF rule, KCF, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Our second fraction is 3 over 1. So we can write 1 over 3, then times 1 over 3. Okay, and this is equal to 1 times 1 gives us 1. 1 over 3 times 3, which equals 9. Okay, so our final answer to this problem is 1 over 9.